हेलो दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने वाला हूं जो ऑलमोस्ट सभी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल है। लेकिन अगर आप एसएससी जीडी 2026 की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए और भी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैंने इन क्वेश्चंस को कम्प्रीहेंसिव और शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट में प्रिपेयर किया है ताकि आप ईजी वे में याद रख सको और एग्जाम में बिल्कुल भी कन्फ्यूज ना हो। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें क्योंकि हर एक एमसीक्यू आपके एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। Question number 1. In which year did Muhammad bin Qasim launch his first attack on India? The correct answer is option B, 712 AD. Question number 2. The Harappan site of Indus Valley civilization is located on the bank of which river? The correct answer is option B, Ravi. Question number 3. Which Mughal emperor was known as Zinda Pir, living saint? The correct answer is option C, Aurangzeb. Question number 4. Who is known as the Indian Bismarck? The correct answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 5. When did the Simon Commission arrive in India? The correct answer is option C, 1928. Question number 6. To which cantonment did Mangal Pandey belong? The correct answer is option C, Barakpur cantonment. Question number 7. When was the Indian National Congress founded? The correct answer is option B, 1885. Question number 8. Which Congress session was presided over by Sarojini Naidu? The correct answer is option B, Kanpur 1925. Question number 9. What was the symbol of the revolt of 1857? The correct answer is option C, lotus and bread. Question number 10. When was the Muslim League established? The correct answer is option B, 1906. Question number 11. When did the Battle of Badera take place? The correct answer is option B, 1759. Question number 12. Who was the founder of the Mauryan dynasty? The correct answer is option C, Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 13. When did the Battle of Chausa take place? The correct answer is option B, 1539. Question number 14. Who was known as Sikandar Sani? The correct answer is option C, Alauddin Khilji. Question number 15. When was Nuhawan Sabha established? The correct answer is option C, 1926. Question number 16. In Vaishali, the world's first republic was established by whom? The correct answer is option C, Lichavi. Question number 17. To whom did Shah Jahan give the title Shah Buland Iqbal? The correct answer is option B, Dara Shikoh. Question number 18. When did the Battle of Buxar take place? The correct answer is option C, 1764. Question number 19. When was the Nehru Report published? The correct answer is option C, 1928. Question number 20. Who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? The correct answer is option B, General Dyer. Question number 21. When did the Gandhi-Irwin Pact take place? The correct answer is option B, 1931. Question number 22. When did the constitutional status of Panchayati Raj become effective? The correct answer is option C, 24th April 1993. Question number 23. Where is a money bill first introduced? The correct answer is option B, Lok Sabha. Question number 24. In which part of the Indian Constitution are fundamental duties given? The correct answer is option C, part 14th A. Question number 25. What is the maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option C, 250. Question number 26. From which country was the concurrent list adopted in the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, Australia. Question number 27. The executive power of the Union is vested in which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 53. Question number 28. Election of the President is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 54. Question number 29. Which schedule contains the division of powers between Union and states? The correct answer is option C, 7th schedule. Question number 30. Fundamental duties are mentioned under which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 51A. Question number 31. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? The correct answer is option B, Sukumar Sen. Question number 32. From which country is the process of president's election borrowed? The correct answer is option C, Ireland. Question number 33. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? The correct answer is option C, Chief Justice of India. Question number 34. The Finance Commission is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 280. Question number 35. Fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution are taken from which country? The correct answer is option B, USA. Question number 36. Joint sitting of both houses is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 108. Question number 37. Anti-defection law is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option B, 10th schedule. Question number 38. How many schedules are there in Indian Constitution? The correct answer is option C, 12. Question number 39. Structure of the Rajya Sabha is given in which article? The correct answer is option B, Article 80. Question number 40. Structure of the Lok Sabha is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 81. Question number 41. Ordinance making power of the President is mentioned in which article? The correct answer is option C, Article 123. Question number 42. Mount Abu is located in which mountain range? The correct answer is option C, Aravalli. Question number 43. Sabarimala temple is located in which state? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 44. What is the highest peak in India? The correct answer is option C, K2. Question number 45. Chilika Lake is located in which state? The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Question number 46. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is option C, Jupiter. Question number 47. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in which state? The correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 48. Guwahati is situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer is option C, Brahmaputra. Question number 49. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? The correct answer is option C, Mercury. Question number 50. Silicon Valley of India is located in which city? The correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. Question number 51. Largest state of India by area is? The correct answer is option C, Rajasthan. Question number 52. Kamakhya temple is located in which state? The correct answer is option B, Assam. Question number 53. Which is the correct state capital pair? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 54. Silent Valley is located in which state? The correct answer is option C, Kerala. Question number 55. Indian dessert is known as? The correct answer is option B, Thar Desert. Question number 56. Hirakud Dam is built on which river? The correct answer is option C, Mahanandi. Question number 57. Nashik is situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer is option C, Godavari. Question number 58. Which river merges into the run of Kutch? The correct answer is option B, Lunni. Question number 59. Goa is situated on the bank of which river? The correct answer is option B, Mandavi. Question number 60. Mechanical advantage less than 1 is found in which class of lever? The correct answer is option C, third. Question number 61. Who discovered the laser? The correct answer is option C, Theodore Maiman. Question number 62. Which temperature scale is divided into 100 equal parts? The correct answer is option C, Celsius. Question number 63. Calomel is an ore of which metal? The correct answer is option B, mercury. Question number 64. Which substance is used in mosquito repellent coils? The correct answer is option B, pyrethrin. Question number 65. Coal gas is a mixture of which gases? The correct answer is option A, hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide. Question number 66. Which of the following is a bacterial disease of plants? The correct answer is option B, Tundu disease of wheat. Question number 67. SI unit of acceleration is? The correct answer is option B, meter per second square. Question number 68. Which glass is used for spectacle lenses? The correct answer is option C, Crookes glass. Question number 69. In which gas law volume remains constant? The correct answer is option C, Gay-Lussac's law. Question number 70. Solanaceae is the family of which plant? The correct answer is option C, potato. Question number 71. Normal conversation sound level is around? The correct answer is option C, 60 decibels. Question number 72. Who invented the welding machine? The correct answer is option C, Elihu Thomson. Question number 73. Turmeric and ginger are examples of which plant part? The correct answer is option B, stem. Question number 74. Garlic and onion belongs to which family? The correct answer is option B, Liliaceae. Question number 75. Which is not a subclass of mammals? The correct answer is option D, all are subclasses. Question number 76. Lines joining places of equal rainfall are called? Please comment your answer and subscribe to the channel for watching the latest videos. Thank you for watching.